Every transformation starts with a decision, and for Glen Tyson, that decision led him from Ireland to Istanbul for a life-changing hair transplant. Glen's FUE hair transplant was designed for maximum coverage. A total of 4,200 grafts were carefully extracted and transplanted, restoring density and creating a natural, youthful hairline. At the 1-month mark, Glen experienced the shock loss phase, a temporary shedding of transplanted hairs. This can be surprising, but it's a natural part of the process. The follicles were still alive beneath the skin, preparing to grow stronger, healthier hair in the coming months. Fast forward to 6 months, and Glen's confidence is sky high. His new hairline is well defined, density has significantly increased, and his overall look is much more natural. The hair is now thicker and healthier, blending seamlessly with his existing hair. The best part? This is just the beginning. His final results will continue improving over the next 6 to 12 months as the hair matures and gains full volume. What about you? Are you ready for your transformation? Get in touch with us today and start writing your own success story.